Hello everyone, welcome to Berkeley Suites. If you're looking for a perfect real estate condominium property for personal use man yan, investment or even rental property na ready for occupancy, at kung nandito ka man sa Pilipinas or you're living abroad as OFW, this property is perfect for you. Everyone, my name is Amor Almuguera Jr., aka Mr. Own That Property, and for this video, we will be featuring the studio unit and one bedroom unit dito sa Berkeley Suites. Pero bago tayo mag-tour dun sa mga unit mismo, I would like to highlight na itong Berkeley Suites ay napakalapit lang sa mga famous establishments such as Nuvali, Vista Mall, mga schools like De La Salle University, and mga hospital like Medical City and the QualiMed. And now, I am very excited to show you kung ano yung studio and one bedroom unit dito sa Berkeley Suites. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Berkeley Suites offers state-of-the-art amenities and features such as the commercial center, the aquatrium pool, reception lobby, study lounge, function room, pocket garden on every floor, and the audio-visual room. We will be starting our property tour with the 18 square meters na studio unit. So to start with, pagpasok natin ng mismong unit ay makikita na natin yung mismong kitchen countertop. And on the other side, makikita naman natin yung comfort room where kompleto na to sa lavatory, toilet, meron na rin tong space for the shower area and for the laundry area. Going to the main area of this studio unit, pwede natin to i-utilize by putting a mattress na pwedeng queen size, and also pwede tayong maglagay ng living area, office space, and also a wardrobe cabinet. This studio unit starts at 2.2 million, so meron tayong payment terms na 6 months to pay na down payment, which cost 29,000 pesos per month. And after that, pwede natin tong ipasok on either Pag-ibig, bank, or in-house financing. So on this part of the video naman, I'll be showing you yung ating one bedroom unit. So that is 34.54 square meters. Tara! So to start with, we have here the one bedroom condo unit. So ito ay may unit area na 34.54 square meters. So to start with, pagpasok natin dito sa mismong unit, ito yung unang makikita natin, yung kitchen area. So this one, ito na yung mismong matuturn over. So kompleto na siya. Meron tayong lavatory and cabinet dito sa ilalim. So meron na rin tong mga abang na outlets for the induction cooker. So, meron din ditong abang na outlet. So, pwede mo rin naman siyang i-design na meron siyang overhead cabinet over here. Okay? So, eto siya. Kompleto na siya. Kung ano yung makikita mo dito, yun na yung turnover niya. So, after naman itong countertop, meron na rin tayong space provided for the refrigerator. So, meron na rin nakaabang na outlet dyan. And meron tayong extra space dito. So, kung ako tatanungin, pwede natin itong lagyan ng dining table. Yan, dito. So, pwede natin siyang lagyan. And sakto, katapat lang niya yung mismong kitchen natin. So, after this space, meron tayong space dito for our living area or mismong living room na natin to. On this side, pwede natin ilagay dito yung sofa natin. And on that side naman, pwede natin ilagay yung TV kasi nandito na yung mga abang na outlets. Yan, meron tayong outlet dito and meron na rin tayo for cable. So, pwede rin dito yung sofa, dito yung ating television. So, maluwag pa rin siya for combined living area and also the space for our kitchen and dining area. And now, after this space, pwede na nating pasukin itong bedroom mismo ng unit na to. So, ito yung bedroom naman natin. Makikita nyo, napakaluwag niya, no? So, kung ako naman ang tatanungin, pwede kong ilagay dito yung bed. So, kasyang-kasya even a king-size bed dito, no? Yan, pwede siya dito. And on this side naman, pwede tayong maglagay ng wardrobe cabinet. Actually, sa lawak ng space na to, pwede mo rin siya i-convert into a mini office. So, kung gusto mo naman na may office ka pa rin, kahit nandito sa bedroom, so pwede mong i-convert itong side na to, pwede mo siya lagyan naman ng table and chair dito. So, ayan, pwede namang facing here, or pwede rin naman na facing here. So, kung gusto mo naman na maganda yung view mo, or gusto mo outside the vicinity yung magiging view mo para makapag-isip-isip ka, pwede mong ilagay din naman dito yung table mo. So, again, bedside, tas yung mini office mo on this side. So, meron pa tayong natitirang space naman on this side. So, you have the freedom to convert this one into an aesthetic lang. Kumbaga, you can put other things, your personal things on this side. So, pwede pa rin. And on this side din kasi, meron na rin yung abang ng ating air condition. So, ayan. So, pwede ka maglagay ng maliit na sofa dito or upuan for your guest. Ayan. If meron kang mga bisita. Ayan. So, sa lawak ng space na to, maraming possibilities for this one-bedroom unit. Balik lang tayo sa ating living area. I-highlight ko naman yung ating comfort room. So, sa ating comfort room, malawak na rin siya. So, meron na rin nakaabang dito, provision or provided space for our washing machine. So, may abang na din siya dito. And on this side naman, yung lavatory, yung toilet, and yung shower area. Ayan. Discussing the price of this 34.54 square meters na one bedroom, ang total TCP nito ay 5.6 million. So, talking about the payment terms naman. So, since RFO na siya, ang payment terms natin ay 6 months down payment. So, nagsusuma siya ng mga around 226,000 pesos. And after that, pwede natin siyang ipasok sa Pag-ibig. So, for loan na natin siya kay Pag-ibig. So, if you wanna know more and if you're interested in this one bedroom, 34.54 square meters, you may reach out to us at InvestGen Realty. You can send us a message on our Facebook and dito rin sa YouTube na channel namin. So, this is the first one-bedroom unit na i-feature natin for this video. So, this is 27 square meters. Tara, pasokin natin. This is the 27 square meters na one-bedroom natin. So, to start our tour, so, hindi siya yung kagaya ng typical na condominium unit na one-bedroom na pagpasok mo, makikita mo agad dun sa hallway yung kitchen. So, dito naman, meron ka namang allotted space for the kitchen and also dun sa CR natin. So, pagpasok mo dito, nandito sa side na to yung countertop natin. On this side, ito naman yung CR natin. So, dito, meron na tayong provision ng outlets for induction cooker, if ever. And also, this is the space for the refrigerator naman. So, kompleto pa rin at makukumpleto natin yung mga appliances na kakailanganin natin. So, ngayon naman, pasukin natin yung bathroom. Inside our toilet and bath, or yung bathroom natin mismo, so makikita natin na kompleto pa rin siya. So, meron siyang lavatory, may toilet, meron na tayong space for the washing machine para pag maglalaba tayo, no? And also, hindi mawawala yung space natin para sa shower area. And to add to that, meron na rin tayo nakaabang na outlet kung gusto man natin to lagyan ng water heater. Coming from our kitchen bathroom, so ito na yung mismong living area natin. So, paano ko ba siya i-design? So, pwede natin ilagay dito yung mismong sofa natin. And on this side, yung ating television and yung mismong estante. Kasi nandito na rin yung outlet natin for our appliances. And to add to that, nandito na rin yung abang natin ng window type na air conditioning. So, ayan. Maluwag na rin talaga siya for our living area. And after this, pasok na tayo dun sa mismong bedroom. This is the spacious bedroom of this one-bedroom condo unit. So, mapapansin natin, maluwag pa rin talaga siya at pwede nating lagyan up to king-size bed. Kung dito yung bed natin, so pwede naman natin lagyan dito ng maliit na office table if you want the view of the outside of the vicinity. So, pwede natin siya ilagay dito. Ayan. And on this side naman, so bed, mini office table, pwede naman natin ilagay dito yung ating wardrobe cabinet. Ayan, dito sa side na to. And also, nandito na rin yung pangalawang abang for another window type na air conditioning. So for this 27 square meters na 1-bedroom unit kay Berkeley, ang total contract price natin ay 4.2 million. So talking about the payment terms naman, meron itong down payment payable for 6 months, so that's around 91,000 pesos per month for 6 months. And after that, pwedeng-pwede natin itong ipasok kay Pag-ibig. So add ko lang, yung miscellaneous fees natin ay babayaran natin after the loan approval bago ma-turn over sa atin yung unit. So that is around 6.5% ng TCP natin. So if you wanna know more about this unit, this property, you can reach out to us again at InvestGen Realty at Facebook and dito sa YouTube channel natin. So before anything else, I just wanna highlight this part of Berkeley Suites. Actually, ito yung isa sa signature area ng mga Cathayland condominiums natin. Ang tawag dito ay Bucket Garden. Imagine having this as your everyday view, lalong-lalo na kung gusto mong mag-relax after a long day. So kanina, after natin magkaroon ng tour sa bawat condo unit, yung studio at yung ating 1-bedroom unit, we understand na pinaka-importanting bagay na kailangan ma-discuss or kailangan nating maintindihan as buyers ay yung payment terms. So don't worry, flexible pa rin ang payment terms dito sa Berkeley Suites kasi meron tayong option after the down payment, pwedeng-pwede tayong pumili between Pag-ibig, bank financing at in-house financing. So we would love to discuss everything with you and guide you kung ano ba yung perfect na payment terms para sa inyo. Another good news, if investor ka or owner ka dito sa Berkeley Suites or sa any other Cathayland condominiums, dahil dito sa Cathayland, meron kang free membership sa ating golf course sa South Forbes Golf Club. And that's it for our property tour here in Berkeley Suites. So if you are ready and interested to invest on a studio or 1-bedroom condo unit for personal use man yan, for rental or for investment, you may reach out to InvestGen Realty. We are in Facebook and also here sa YouTube. And if you want to know more about real estates here in Santa Rosa, Laguna, for more real estate tips and property listings, you may click that notification bell and see you on our next videos.